Travelling between Chinese cities sounds simple, but for first-time visitors, high-speed trains can be confusing, stressful, and expensive if done wrong. This guide is for travellers who don't speak Chinese, plan to visit more than one city, and want to move fast, safely, and efficiently. Part 1. Why trains matter in China? China's high-speed rail is not just transportation, it's the backbone of long-distance travel. Flying is often slower, driving is rarely practical. Most smart routes in China are built around trains. Part 2. How to buy tickets. There are 3 safe ways to buy train tickets: official apps, trusted booking platforms, or professional booking services. Do not buy from street agents. Do not use random websites. The ticket is digital. Your passport is your ticket. Part 3. Seat types explained. Second class is comfortable and affordable. First class is wider and quieter. Business class is premium and limited. For most travellers, second class is enough for trips under 5 hours. Part 4. Luggage rules. There is no strict weight limit like airplanes. Large suitcases are allowed, but security screening is required. Sharp objects, sprays, and power banks over limits may be rejected. Part 5. The station experience. Arrive at the station at least 45 minutes early. Enter security with your passport, check the departure board carefully. Look for your train number, not just the city name. Once boarding starts, follow the platform signs and car number. Part 6. Onboard experience. High-speed trains in China are clean, quiet, and stable. Toilets, power outlets, and food carts are on every train. Smoking is strictly prohibited. Part 7. Common mistakes foreigners make. The most common mistakes: going to the wrong station, arriving too late, misreading the train number, or buying tickets from unreliable sellers. Any of these can ruin your entire day. Part 8. Route planning logic. A good China route is built around geography and rail speed. Shanghai to Hangzhou, Beijing to Xi'an, Chengdu to Chongqing. These routes save both time and energy. Wrong city order means wasted days. Part 9. For first-time travellers. You do not need to speak Chinese to take trains in China. Signs are bilingual. Staff are trained for international travellers. The system is built for high volume and clarity. When your route involves multiple cities, trains become the most critical part of your journey. A single missed transfer can affect hotels, tours, and international flights. If you want help with city connections, ticket booking, or full route optimization, message us on WhatsApp. We design China travel routes for international visitors every day.